If you are preparing for JEE or CET, you need tricks. So in this video, we will discuss about inverse of a matrix of order 3 in just 30 seconds. Now as we know, finding inverse of a matrix is time consuming, but we can do it within 30 seconds. So this video is all about it. What we do is, let's start with an example. Let's take a matrix A where the first row is given by 2 1 1, second row is 3 0 3, and the third row is 6 minus 1 4. As we know, the formula to find A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. What we do is, we will first find out determinant of A by expanding it along the first row, and you get the answer as equal to 9. Now the time consuming thing is to find adjoint of A. How to find it? What we do is, we will first write the matrix as it is. We will repeat first and second column. So that will be 2, 3, 6 and 1, 0, minus 1. Now we will take the whole first row and second row and repeat it below like this. And next we will strike out first row and first column. For the remaining thing, we will keep on doing or simplifying this using a determinant idea. So first we will start with these 4 elements. They are 0, 3, minus 1, 4. We have to multiply it like this. 0 into 4 minus 1 into 3. Then you get the answer as 3. So that will be the first element of adjoint of A. Now to find the second element, here we have to go in the column wise, because adjoint of A is the transpose of cofactor matrix. So we will go in the column wise. So the next element will be minus 1 into 1, minus of 1 into 4, the answer will be minus 5. And the third element will be 1 into 3 minus 0 into 1, that will be 3. Similarly, we will start with here 3 into 6 minus 4 into 3, that's 6. 4 into 2 minus 1 into 6, that will be 2. 1 into 3 minus 3 into 2, that will be minus 3. Similarly, when you take these elements, you get the answers as minus 3, 8 and minus 3. So this is a simple idea to find adjoint of A. Once you got the value of adjoint of A, the other things are very simple. We will find out A inverse using the formula, and you get the answer as 1 by 9 into adjoint of A. So you can do it within 30 seconds. Hey, there is a bonus for you. What about the matrix is a diagonal matrix? Then the inverse is just a matter of 2 seconds. Yes, you heard me right, just 2 seconds. Let me take the example. As you know, this is a diagonal matrix where all the diagonal elements are some numbers other than 0, and all non-diagonal elements are 0. If you have a matrix like this, it's very simple to find A inverse. What we do is, we will just replace these diagonal elements by their inverse. That is, if there is A, then the answer is 1 by A, 1 by B and 1 by C, and all other elements are same. So this itself is the inverse. Very simple, right? So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.